Everybody, this is Mrs. Ching. This is a video on how to do a literature search for your Investigation 9A lab report. Okay, so you want to go to the LibGuides that's linked on Google Classroom or where your teacher has shared it with you. Oops, sorry. And, there we go. And so you actually want to go to the second tab. So when you land on that website, it's going to get you to this first tab. You want to go to the second tab for Find Online Databases in Science. The other thing I want to mention to you is if you're doing this off campus, you'll want to click this link for username and passwords, okay? So because you won't be on our IP address, so you want to make sure you're using these for the databases. Okay, so once you're on this tab, I would suggest that you search through JSTOR. Okay, in this JSTOR site, this is where you're going to type in your keyword. So for example, because maybe you think that the younger mung beans are doing mitosis or whatever, then this could be one of your search terms, right? Right, and then you hit search. All right, so then you can look through here and see if there's anything that kind of makes sense. So a lot of these are going to be technical, but it doesn't mean that you can't, figure it out. But this top one might be good. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, and then it's going to load the PDF in the page for you. If you send this over to Notability, you can actually search for the terms that you can then use. So you might want to look through this and then see how this is important for cell respiration in the lab that we're doing. Okay, let's say you want to use this. How are you going to cite it? You're going to then click here, cite this item, and because we're doing APA style, you can just use this copy, okay? But notice that in this section, there's some terms, right? Oops, some terms that are in italics. So make sure that you change that and that when you put it in your Google Docs or your pages, you've italicized that because that might not transfer when you copy it over. Okay, so that is one that you can use if you, let's say, you want to find another search term. Maybe you want to look up cell respiration, type it in. Okay, if you need help, come and see me and let me know what I can do to help you.